a million miles away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just I know the way it makes me come alive. I'm walking the
Hey y'all, hey, I'm back with some human hair drip. And it's from a company that human hair company that we work with probably more than any other company. KlaiyiHair Hair, and that's sad because I still don't know how you pronounce this. Klaiyi. I don't know what's in this box, but y'all, normally they give me some of my easiest and most favorite human hair, okay? They always give me a coupon code too, so look in that box and use it if you like what you see, okay? So it's a headband in here, some stocking caps, and that's it. And it's not a headband wig. That was just a little freebie. Okay, this wig, if I'm just reading it off this little tag, is 24 inches long. It's a body wave, and it's the color FB30. Okay, let's see what she hitting on, guys. Okay, so the color is absolutely pretty, and tons of human hair companies have been sending me this color lately, so I guess it's the new rave. Y'all know I prefer an ash blonde, like my little bald head you see here. See them little waves trying to come in? Yeah, I need a haircut, but you get the idea. But look at this one. That color, I will say, is pretty. I can get this stupid net off my ratchet nails, okay? I will say that that color is extremely gorgeous, okay? Let me plop her on my head before I cut off the lace and stuff, just so you guys can see how it looks. This new piercing I got over there, like I told y'all, that is really, it's hurting because I keep bumping it. It didn't even hurt to get it pierced, and I ain't just saying that, you know. It didn't even hurt when it was pierced, but shit, it hurt now. Every time I bump into it, I want to yell out, but I can't. Okay, strong, independent black woman, right? All right. I promise I ain't got Rona. It's my allergies. All right, y'all. Let's see this bad boy straight on my head without the lace cut off. Oh, well, cap construction. Let me show it to you. You get a comb in the back and your adjustable straps. And in the front, it's a T-part. Okay, you get ear to ear lace and then lace going down that deep part. You also get a comb here to the right, comb to the left, and that ear to ear lace. All right, let's just plop it on and see what it looks like straight out of the pack. Y'all, that body wave is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, run my fingers through one side. Look at that color. All right, let me go get some scissors to cut off this lace, and I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. this wig is super easy, super cute, very, very gorgeous. I love the body waviness, but a part of me kind of wanted to straighten this, but I'm not, because y'all know I ain't keeping it. Y'all know it's going on posh, okay? But it's absolutely gorgeous, okay? And I've had a straight wig in this color blend too, and it was gorgeous as well. But this body wave is really, really cute. And that T part makes this super easy. Y'all saw I swooped a few of those baby hairs, but of course I ain't tied down because, you know, I bulk film. But I was just showing you that you can put those baby hairs there if you want. Okay, so do I recommend this wig? Yes, I do, okay? And I will give them that. That's what all of the human hair that I've gotten from them. The hair is super soft. I don't get any shedding. I don't get any tangling. But you know this is the wig straight out the pack. Yeah, so I definitely can recommend this one. They also always, without fail, give me a coupon code. So look in that box and make sure you use that if you want this wig. But I think the color for the spring, the summer is perfect. Just like what's in here. Until next time, which will be very soon, y'all. Bye.